Top Trumps Match Avengers Edition. The aim of the game is to match 5 cubes in a row, whether it's horizontally, vertically or diagonally. There are 15 characters to choose from. Step 1. Set up. Load the 25 cubes into the game grid, making sure there are no more than 2 of the same character in the same row, column or diagonal. Step 2. Deal the cards. Shuffle the 15 Top Trumps character cards and deal 2 each, face down into the spaces for the cards in front of each player. You must not look at them. Step 3. Start the game. Player 1 starts the game by pushing out their top left corner cube onto the other side of the game grid. Step 4. Player 2 then picks up the cube and uses it to push out and replace any of the other cubes in the game grid. Step 5. Taking in turns to push through cubes. The aim of it is to get 5 of the same characters lined up horizontally, vertically or diagonally. You may have to put your final cube into the empty hole to complete your line of 5. Remember, you cannot push out the same cube that was placed on the turn before. Step 6. When you have 5 matching cubes in a row, shout "Match!" Step 7. Can you take the match and win the game? The losing player turns over the 2 cards dealt to them at the beginning of the game. If either of the cards matches the winning player's line of 5, they take the match and they've won! No need to keep the box and no mess. All cards and cubes are stored neatly in the game grid, great for doing a quick tidy up and storing the game. Perfect for on the go.